Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley. As you all know, Valentine's is approaching, so I have some Valentine's DIYs for y'all. So with that said, let me not waste time and let's get started with these DIYs. For this DIY, you will be needing these heart-shaped containers from Dollar Tree and the rub and buff I got at Micheals and just some black paint. Alright, so I'm starting off by painting them black, and I am doing 2 coats. So I'm going in with my first coat, making sure they are coated well, and then I'm going in with my heat gun and speeding up the process for video purposes. And so once these finish drying, I will be going in with the second coat, and that's it. I ended up doing just 2 coats of the black paint and drying them with my heat gun, and once those were dry, I am just assembling them again and going in with black paint and just spotting the edges of it to make sure that there is no red popping out. And I will just be doing that for all of these. And then as you can see here, I kind of did dent one of them with my heat gun, but that's fine. It actually worked out and it looked even better. So I kind of regret not going back and doing it with the rest of the hearts, but that's okay. So once that was done, I am going with my rough and buff, and a little bit goes a long way, guys. So I'm just going in with this sponge and these sponges, this makeup sponge, and you can get these at Dollar Tree, by the way. But I'm going in with the sponge and just smoothing it, making it, I'm not fully covering it. I do want some black to peek through, as y'all will see here. Makes it more look like a bell, and I'm just doing that for all of them. And as you can see here, like I said, a little bit does go a long way, so this will last you for a good bit. Okay, and now finishing this one, this is how these turned out, and I am loving how these are looking. The only thing I regret is not denting the rest of the hearts, but for next time, lesson learned, guys. So anyways, I'm going in with this jute twine now from Dollar Tree, and I am twisting it and adding some water to help me pull it through the hole. And if that doesn't work, just trim a little bit and just do the same process, twist it and add some water, and it will go through. And I'm just gonna tie a knot. I only tied 1 knot for each heart, and I ended up trimming the rest of the yarn that I didn't use because it was confusing me. And as you can see here, I will just be tying all the hearts together. And when you start tying the knots, guys, make sure you double check how spaced out you want the hearts to be in between each other. Just keep that in mind. But anyways, once I had them all tied up and I liked how they looked, there was nothing more to add. I hope you guys do too, and let me know if you do end up recreating these. I would love to see how they turned out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay up to date with my videos and know when I upload. But anyways, guys, until next time.